Hi, this is Christopher Ruspe. I'm a chartered market technician and a comprehensive financial planner in Highland, Maryland. And welcome to my video series. Today we're going to be talking about cancer insurance. And the question that you might want to know is, should I buy cancer insurance if I get a solicitation in the mail? That's the first thing I thought when I opened my mail this past weekend. I got a solicitation from one of the large insurance companies asking me to buy cancer insurance. Some of the details are it's offering me family coverage for $15.62 a month and individual coverage for $7.31. And then the brochure or the flyer goes on to say that unfortunately 1 in 3 Americans are expected to get cancer in their lifetime. The cost of cancer can be very expensive. For instance, hospital inpatient stays have an average cost of over $20,000, and that their insurance only costs 27 cents a day, and therefore I should surely buy it. Now, while these facts may be true in isolation, the question you have to ask yourself is, if it's a risk that's really likely to happen, why am I able to get insurance for it for just 27 cents a day? Normally, when you insure against something that there's a high probability it's going to happen, it's extremely expensive, like in the case of long-term care insurance. So when you're talking about supplemental insurance, one of the things that I always advise people to do is when you get these glossy brochures, go to the back of it. That's where the government regulations will require them to put some disclosures and some fair dealing language in there. And you'll immediately see that the limitations of the proposal that they're making for you. Now, in the case of this insurance, most of the cost of insurance is going to be paid for if you have health insurance. If you want to take some experimental drug that's not approved, then yes, you might have to pay for something out of pocket. If you want to do some sort of alternative medicine, you might have to pay something out of pocket. But most decent health insurance policies are going to offer you cancer coverage. The disclosures on the back of this one, compare these to what you heard earlier. So the insurance is a limited benefit, and it does not pay your Medicare deductibles. It does not pay your Medicare coinsurance, and is not a substitute for Medicare supplement insurance. And it then goes on to say in bold print, Medicare pays extensive benefits for medically necessary services, regardless of the reason you need them. This would include, of course, cancer. So, generally speaking, these supplemental lines of insurance are something that are extremely profitable for the insurance company and are not typically a great idea for the consumer. But that doesn't mean that that's always the case. So I like to ask myself, well, who might benefit from this? Well, if you are somebody who has a health condition that would preclude you from being able to buy life insurance, okay, then you might want to consider cancer insurance. If you've had cancer and it's been more than 5 years, you might want to consider cancer insurance. I don't know the medical statistics on whether you're more likely or less likely to get it. That's something you'd want to check with your physician. But the idea is that this could be, instead of a healthy person buying it to beef up their health insurance coverage, which is already strong enough, this could be kind of like a backdoor policy if you don't have good health insurance or Medicare coverage, or if you have special risk. So those are some of the times when you might want to consider this type of supplemental insurance. Cancer insurance is out there, it's available, but for most people it's probably not something they need to purchase. If you have any other questions about cancer insurance, send me an email. I'm not allowed to receive comments in my video post because I'm a professional advisor, and continue to follow, like, and subscribe my videos so that you don't miss out on any future content. Once again, this is Chris Ruspe, and I'm wishing you a happy, healthy, and successful day.